Hey, what's happening guys, welcome to Life of Naman, and today I'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 7s, Redmi Note 7s. So this I've ordered from the Xiaomi Mi store, that is the Mi app that you can download from Play Store. So let's just get right into it. Alright, this is the box. So it is sealed packed, which is nice. Box Redmi Note 7s, 48 megapixel AI camera, and as you can see, this is the 64GB variant in sapphire blue color. Let's just unbox this box. Right, I'm going with a very desi trika. Alright, first of all, there is a transparent case, and then there is documentation, and this is another documentation. So let's put this aside, and this is the case. So it's actually a very hefty phone, I can see that. And oh my god, wow, see this. Beautiful, the phone is really beautiful. The gradient color, as you can see, very nice. And the phone has a notch, dot notch. As you can see, you can read the specification: 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI dual real camera, Qualcomm 660, which is a very good processor, and 6.3-inch full HD display with a dot notch, and 4000. Now let's see all the other accessories that is inside the box. First is the charger, Redmi fast charger. Let me see, is a 5-watt 2 ampere charger. So yeah, this is a fast charger. And the cable, alright, so let's just put the box aside and boot the phone for the first time. And the case that they have given, transparent case, is very minimal. It doesn't protect you from any damage that can happen to the phone. So make sure buy a phone and put a tempered glass on the phone. Alright, now so that the initial setup is done, so I'm not gonna skip this one. Don't copy. Checking info. Right, gonna skip this one also. So I'm gonna enter any pin right now. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and I'm gonna add the fingerprint right now. Right, so the setup is done. So it's gonna now jump into the home screen. So now in the lock screen now, so I'm gonna use the fingerprint scanner, and 1 and 3 2 1. So it didn't, okay, it took a little second. Okay, So here is the Xiaomi with it has come with, I guess, Mi 10. I'm not familiar with the versions of the Xiaomi software. Let me just see. Okay, system settings. Okay, it's really new for me. Okay, about phone. Yeah, it's the MIUI 10.3.5 that this phone comes with, and 4 GB of RAM, 51.85 GB available of the 64 GB. That is the total. So cool, right? So this was the first impression of the Redmi 7S. Hope you like this video, guys, and if you did, thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.